Start. The appellant plaintiff is aggrieved by the judgment dated page 2 of 25th July 2019 passed by the learned single judge whereunder a final decree has been passed in a suit for partition originally instituted by her father Shri Prabhu Dayal, son of Shri Gangaram, against his mother, widow of late Gangaram, and the remaining siblings. At the time of passing the final judgment and decree, the learned single judge noted that during the lifetime of Shri Prabhu Dayal, a preliminary decree for partition had already been passed in respect of four properties, subject matter of the suit, and referred to in para numbers 5, 7, 9, and 10 of the plaint, declaring him and the remaining defendants entitled to 1 by 7th undivided share each therein. It was also observed that as regards the prayer made for partitioning the remaining three properties mentioned in para 6, 8, and 11 of the plaint, the suit had already been dismissed on 10th March 2014. At that stage, learned counsel for the appellant plaintiff had submitted for the first time that while passing the preliminary decree for partition on 10th March 2014, one of the properties in respect whereof there was no dispute had been wrongly excluded. Learned counsel sought an adjournment to file an application with regard to the said property. Nothing that the preliminary decree for partition had been passed over 5 years ago and the same had attained finality, the learned single judge opined that the request for an adjournment was unjustified. Regarding the submission made by learned counsel for the appellant plaintiff that her client had also filed a separate suit for partition in respect of the property that had been left out, registered as pending on the original side of this court. The court, page 3 of 9, held that it was not as if the appellant plaintiff was left remediless. Consequently, the request that the left out property can also be partitioned in the present suit itself by amending the preliminary decree passed on 10th March 2014 was turned down by the learned single judge, who observed that it was too late in the day to stall passing of a final decree for partition in the suit. As a result, a final decree for partition was directed to be drawn up. Aggrieved by the aforesaid order, the present appeal has been filed. Mrs. Dipali Gupta, learned counsel for the appellant plaintiff, states that the learned single judge has filed to appreciate that the respondents defendants had suppressed the fact that the property in question mentioned in para 6 of the plaintiff, that is parcel of land measuring 125 square yards situated within Lal Dora, Dr. Ambedkar Colony, VPO, Khera Khurd, Delhi, was owned by late Ganga Ram, whereas Prabhu Dayal was given the impression that the same was owned by his mother, late Srimati Hira Devi, impleaded as defendant number 1 in the suit. It is stated that the true facts came to the knowledge of the legal heir of the deceased appellant plaintiff 2 days before the impugned judgment was passed on 23rd July 2019, when the respondent number 3 gave a copy of the allotment letter issued in the name of Shri Ganga Ram to the sister of the appellant plaintiff who is stated to be a co-plaintiff in the subsequently instituted suit.